Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss how the discount appears. So if you can see that the discount right now appears as save 10%. Now if we want that it should be a different type of discount or it should be shown in a different type, then we can configure it from shop settings. So we need to go into settings, we need to go into shop settings, and I'm going to show you how to configure it and what all options are there. The first discount type out here is percent. If you show it as percent, then it will just be like 10% off. If you show it as amount, then it will be the actual amount. So rather than showing how much percent off, it's actually showing how much are you saving directly. Now the third one is save percent. So rather than showing 10% off, it's going to say save 10%. And similarly, you can say save amount, and it's going to tell you save that much amount on that product. And the last one is obviously if you want to hide it completely, then we can say hide. It will still show the product price which is cut off, but it will not show the actual discount which is happening. So that's about it. Thank you.